No more boring business presentations. That's right. I know if you've been like me at speaking events that you have had to set through your share of boring business presentation. And I'm here today to say no more and that I need your help. Let's together stamp out any more boring presentations. So here's what we're going to do. And this is where I need your help. So, number one, it starts with you. You have to be the one that stops doing any boring presentations. So, there's three ways that you can stop a potentially boring topic or subject matter and make it more exciting. Number one, come out with a wild attention grabber that's just going to knock their socks off, that's over the top big, and just show them that you are gutsy and that you have that confidence to pull it off. Number two, engage your audience throughout the presentation. Give them an experience. Have them say say things and repeat your sentences or finish your sentences or give them high fives or pats on the back or hallelujahs or amens, whatever you can think of that's appropriate for your speech and your topic and your audience. And I say that, I mean, and your audience, because I engage my audience a lot with different activities and actions that I have them do. Well, it doesn't work in every audience. I was in an audience of seniors, and it was a book club. So we were talking about how we could use speaking to sell more books. Well, the average was probably 70. Not that that's old, believe me, that's a new young, but 80, 90. And when I said turn to your partner and give them a high five, they were like looking at me like I was crazy. They were not going to do that. So you have to make sure that you use whatever experiences that fit for your audience. Same happened when I spoke to a group of high school students and I wanted them to interact with each other. They were like looking like, I don't want to look stupid. I don't want to look like a fool. I don't want to bring attention to myself. So again, know your audience and know what works for them. But just think of something that'll get them in the experience. And number three is stories. Stories are a great way to involve your audience and turn a tough topic into a more enjoyable one. Use metaphors, use all of it. Pull out your gun. Now make sure you're practicing those stories before you bring them out, and those metaphors, make sure that they're appropriate and make sure that they have some sort of a lesson or some sort of a being, the whole reason why you are saying it. So again, stories, they suspend time, they act as invisible selling, and you can always turn a tough topic into a more enjoyable one. So those are three ways that you can stop all the boring presentations. And you're more than welcome to pass these three on if you ever run into another boring speaker again. In the meantime, if you would like to get trained and want to be even a better speaker, what I call $1 million speaker, then join me at my $1 million Speaker Summit on October 4th, 5th, and 6th, 2019 in Irvine, California, and learn tips like this and a whole lot more so you too can end the boring speaker, the boring business presentation. Bye for now. See you at $1 million Speaker Summit.com.